So, today we are going to visit my wife's grandparents' graves, because it is Obon, kind of like the Japanese equivalent of All Souls Day. So you go visit your relatives' graves, and believe it or not, I'm going to use the expressway, which you have to pay for. And this morning I already tried getting on the expressway, except apparently the entrance I tried to use will only accept vehicles with an ETC card. And my motorcycle does not have an ETC card. So I basically had to get the dude to open the gate to let me off the ramp. And now we're going to go try a different entry to the Corso Codoro, also known as the expressway, which is a massive pain in the ass. With the expressways, all of them are tolled in Japan, so you can either pay at the toll booth, which was what I wanted to do, except there was no freaking toll booth, or you can use an ETC card, which is essentially kind of like a credit card, chipped card that you insert into a reader inside your car, and then it automatically scans when you go through the gate. Which is all very nice and good if you have one installed, but I didn't see much point in installing one on my bike because I don't use it that often. So hopefully, because my GPS keeps telling me I'm going the wrong way, once I get on there it figures out where the hell it is and we can keep going. I'm probably going to be a little bit late, but that is all good. Better late than never. Yeah, the guy seemed slightly confused when I rocked up to the ETC entry gate on a bike with no ETC card, and he's just like, "Oh, you can't get in without a card." And I'm like, "Oh, I thought there was a toll booth." "No, not on this one, only ETC card." I'm like, "Oh, great, that's fucking annoying, thanks." Welcome to Japan. You silly foreigner, you can't get on the fucking highway. What do you think this is? Anyway, so once we get on the highway, you can go basically, I think it's 110 is the marked speed limit. However, I don't know anyone that does 110 unless you're in a K car. Most people are zooming past you at 120 k's an hour at least. There are speed cameras and there are police on the highway. However, I don't think the speed cameras will pick you up unless you're doing 30 k's over the posted limit, which you probably don't want to test. So most people slow down a little bit when they get near the camera. And the police basically just decide if they're having a good day or a bad day and they want to pull you over. So neither of those are particularly good options. Anyway, we shall see. But the roads are quite good, not too many potholes, and generally you will go a lot faster than if you are trying to cut across town, because all the roads through town are like this, and they all have cameras, they all have traffic lights. The roads are super congested. Most of the speed limit's like 60 k's an hour, so you'll be sitting there for ages. So this is probably going to wipe about half an hour off my trip, and then I might just use the regular roads on the way back. Oh, and hopefully it doesn't rain either, because it's supposed to rain today. Let's top everything else off. Oh, there's a nice little CB 250. Where are you going? Okay. I don't fucking know where you're going, lady, but the road to get on the highway is here, so... Oh my god. This is another problem with Japanese drivers that just do not know what they're doing and will just do random weird shit. Completely unpredictable. Which is somewhat dangerous if you're driving on a motorcycle and people do random weird things on cars. Alright, hopefully this will take me the right way. I do not know. See, ETC. Now we're not going to go through the ETC lane because I don't have an ETC card. I just want to go through the regular Bogan lane where you pick up a little fucking ticket. Oh, I'm so bored, I don't have an ETC card. Well, at least I can get in this way. better than my previous experience this morning. Oh, look at that. Let's just crack that over. Yeah, gotta get this little card and attempt to put it in my pocket, because I don't want it falling out, because that would be awkward. Okay, there, all good. And off we go. And now we are on the toll road. Well, now we can get onto the toll road, I should say. Make sure my other pocket's zipped up, because then my face mask will fly out and hit someone's windshield, and that wouldn't be nice. Kobe, Takamatsu, Tokushima. I think I go this way, but I don't know. Let's hope this was the correct way. Konnichiwa. Hey. Hi. Well, blow it out. There it is. Hey, onegaishimasu. Hi, gozaimasu. Get in my wallet. I'm gonna end up with some shrapnel here. Hi. Gozaimasu. Gozaimasu. It's times like this that I will probably need to pull over, Mr. Truck, at a convenience store. And oh, Jesus Christ, buddy, what are you doing? Fuck me. Yeah, okay, so that happened.